In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to GoDaddy Website Builder. If you want to embed a custom widget, a snippet from a third-party tool, or a small piece of markup that the default blocks don't cover, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to place it inside the GoDaddy Website Builder interface. You'll just need to be logged into your GoDaddy account and have the site you want to edit open in the builder. First, from your GoDaddy dashboard, open the site you want to work on and click Edit Website. This takes you into the visual editor where you can make changes to your pages. Give the editor a moment to load, especially if your site has a lot of content. It's best to do this on a desktop browser so you can see the full set of options and get a clearer preview. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the page and exact spot where you want your custom code to appear. Then click the plus icon to add a new section. Placement matters here. Add the section above, below, or between existing sections depending on where you want the HTML to render. If you're embedding something like a form or a countdown, think about how it fits with your page layout and spacing, so it looks intentional and easy to read. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see the section library. Scroll or search until you find the category labeled Files and Web. Click that to reveal options designed for bringing in external content and code. This is where GoDaddy groups all the tools that help you connect to other services or add custom elements that aren't available as standard blocks. Next, choose the HTML option. Selecting this adds an HTML section to your page and opens a code area where your custom markup goes. Paste your HTML snippet into the provided field. You'll see a live preview or a placeholder depending on what the code does. Keep your code clean and minimal for the best results. If your snippet includes scripts or iframes from a third party, make sure they use secure HTTPS links. Some advanced scripts may be limited by the builder for security or performance reasons, so if something doesn't display as expected, try a simpler embed version, or check the provider's lightweight embed option. Use the editor's spacing and alignment controls to fine-tune how the new section sits with the rest of your content. When it looks right, you're done. To recap, you opened Edit Website, added a section with the plus icon, went to Files and Web, and chose HTML. That's all it takes to add custom HTML inside GoDaddy Website Builder.